In this part, since we are going to get the data, so we have to go to our database, Firestore, and add some data. So we go to create database, and we start in test mode, so we do not need to log in. And then we press enable. And then we start to create a new collection called to-dos. And then there is a field. We add a title, and such as buying books. And then we press enter and save. And it will create a unique ID, and our title is buying books. And then we create another document. So the field is also title, and then we are going to type the values is fixing bugs. So there are two documents here. And now we back to our coding. And then at the end of the body, we create a script. And the source is equal to app.js. And then we go to the folder and create a JavaScript file. And then we are going to detect the changes. And first we have to create a variable called db is equal to firebase.firestore. And then we back to our app.js. And then we are going to detect the changes by using db.collections. And since the collections is to-dos, so we have to add to-dos. And then we try to order by title. And then on snapshot and snapshot. And then we let the changes is equal to snapshot.doChanges and console.log the changes. There is a typo. We should not have s here, and this should be .changes rather than doChanges. So we save again. And now if we go back to our website, you will see there are two types of changes. There are two JSON objects with the changes type added. And if you look at the documentation, you will see the snapshot have 3 different changes, and which is added, removed, and also modified. So we are going to handle these few changes. So we back to our coding, and we have to add the for each, and then we have changes. And then in each changes, we will check which change it has made, whether it is added, modified, or removed it. So we will check if change.type is equal to added. Then we will console.log the change.dot. We will pop up this document. And then else if change.type is equal to remove, then we will do something else. And also if change.type is equal to modified, and we will also do another things. So at here we will just use console.log removed it and console.log modified. And if we want to see the data, we can use .data. So we command these changes and save. And now you can see there are two JSON objects that we just added. One is buying books and the other is fixing bugs. So in the next part, we are going to render these data into the list.